when you're ready to fix your Sprinter windshield wiper chatter problem, you have to decide, where do I bend this thing? Because that's what we're going to do. We're just going to bend this a little bit. So this whole arm here has a plastic cover on it that hides the hose. Back here is too far back. This is too thick. So you need to bend it somewhere between front and the end. So we're going to bend it right here, right before the hook. And I've got my old crescent wrenches in place. And on the connecting to the car side, this is the side I'm holding tight. This is like a rock over here. And the left hand is going to bend the way that it needs to bend. See, this is laying on the windshield that way, and it needs to come up. So I push down on the left, hold tight on the right, and I fix these wipers. Here we go. Okay, so now I have to pay attention, hold tight, push down. Okay, we're getting there. Twist. Okay, now let's take off all this weight. Have a look. Ooh. Now this wiper is garbage. It arrived in a package folded in half. Look at it. It won't even sit on the windshield all the way. But aside from that, looking at the core of it, it's looking way more perpendicular. Bought some more wiper blades because I thought it was the wiper blades that were the problem. They're not. So I think this one is fixed. And I'll move on to the other one. And my annoying wiper chatter once and for all. I'm so excited. Super easy to do. The bigger the wrench, the better, I would say. Same procedure. Get on there nice and tight. All right, well. My old wrench, this screw that's holding the thumb wheel is unscrewing, but I got it fixed. Screwed right back in. Fixing everything around here. Okay, this is the tight side. I remind myself which way it needs to go. Hold tight. Twist. Okay, so I'm gonna try this one too. Now, if it's not good enough, it's only gonna take a minute to give it another twist.